Hi you guys, welcome back and thank you for clicking on this video. I do have another video for you. The first box we're going to open is my Lady Lori profile, but before we open that box, how you guys doing? Are you done Christmas shopping? Do you have more Christmas shopping? Did everything you ordered on your Christmas shopping list arrive yet without the people that it's for seeing it? I mean, we know how that goes. Now see, in this house, my husband and I do not shop for each other. What he does, he tends to shop for me more because I won't buy the things I really want for myself. I just don't. Some of it is because I need his expertise because he's an engineer. He's a software engineer. So it's kind of cool because then that leaves a gift for him to buy me. But he has everything he needs, anything he could ever want, because he's in computers and software and all electronics. I wouldn't even know where to start. So that's my story and I'm sticking to it. How is yours? How's your shopping coming, you guys? And I know that there's a lot of you guys over in the Midwest that are getting hit really hard. The Tennessees, the the Georgias, Kentuckys, I believe, that are getting, Arkansas, that are getting hit really hard by that tornado, hurricane, tornado, both. I really hope you guys are staying safe, that you have some place that you can go if there is a warning sign in and around where you live. So just my prayers are with all of you. Okay. Kind of sucks now. It's like, do I want to open the box? That was, you know, you get happy news shopping and then you go to that. And that makes this video difficult. Okay. My variation is 215. And yes, I do have to wear my glasses because I didn't put my contacts in. There she is. This is late for Lady Lori. Might say that about 4 times, but that's okay. All right, so we are looking for, let's see. Oh, this is by Bite Beauty. It says Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. Did we like pick shades when we did choices? If like something, I'm not saying this was a choice. Maybe it was, I don't know. But my thing is, oh, and it's L35. Is like, if we did choose it, did we also choose the shade? I think we do, because they're not going to give somebody that has a dark skin tone a really light color like this. So, or somebody that's as pale as my daughter. This one is in the color, again, as I told you, L35. It doesn't have anything like a medium, nothing like that. It just says L35. But this is a foundation. It's a change maker. And I think it probably has like a seal on it. It does. So we're not going to open it, put it on the back of my hand. Even if I did, this left hand right here has that one size. So it would probably come right off. I'm starting to get hooked on Huda's products. And this is not going to be good because she's very expensive. But this is the Glowish by Huda Beauty. Multi-Dew Skin Tint. You guys, that's all I'm wearing. I have the Marshmallow by NYX underneath. And then this is all I wear. I do not put anything else on my skin. I have the primer and I have the skin tint. Let's see, what if you guys are wondering what color, it's the 04 light medium. And I think what happened when I was purchasing the foundation, that powdered foundation, I think that's when this happened, when I went to her website and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to keep buying one shade darker, one shade lighter, just to find the one that works for me, because I know your skin change, you know, our tone changes depending on the season. But I was like, I'm not going to keep trying to find, you know, which, and you get what I'm saying? So I think that's where that came from. Okay, let's keep going on here. Okay, the next product we have here is by Kenya Antiveros Beauty. This is the Glow and Go kit. This is pretty, you guys. This is so pretty. Whoops, almost fell out. Let's let her come out. I do have a couple palettes from her. She's so beautiful. She was featured on BOXYCHARM on Instagram doing a look, her everyday look that she uses when she's heading out of the house. She's got meetings to go to, and then if she's got, you know, like dinner plans or whatever. But she did a look and it was really pretty. Before I open this all the way, it does have a big mirror, opens up like a book. This is her. Now, mind you, it would open like this. Hopefully you can tell. I'm gonna get my my Christmas nails out of the way. Here we go. There you go. And she used some of these products like the blush, the bronzer, a little bit of the highlighter. She was using it everywhere. She put it on her eyes. I mean, there were some things that I just went, that's the kind of palette you want. Something you can just put anywhere. Because I will use a good bronzer on my eyes. People say, well, you're not supposed to. What do you mean I'm not supposed to? It's mine. I can put it anywhere the hell I want. And yes, I put bronzers and blushes on these eyes. Okay, that one there came in at $48. And now the Stila, where's the Stila? This is Huge Extreme Lash Mascara at $23. And I think I have this. This looks very familiar. It does, doesn't it? Or is this a brand new mascara for them? I don't know. Because I don't have this. But this is beautiful. Look at the size of this tube. It is gorgeous. Look at that design. It's pretty, right? Don't focus on my nails, you guys. Get off my nails. It's beautiful. I told you if you don't make any noise, you can stay. Stop licking your toes. I can't stand that sound. Neither can my audience. So stop it. All right. Next one is Epione. Epione. It's Epione Skincare of Beverly Hills, or it's Epione. Pardon me, I'm not going to chop this name up because you can say it several different ways. It's a flawless serum, and it's a new brand to Boxy. Comes in at, oh wait, I'm just going to show it to you first before I tell you the price. Or maybe you've heard it. $195, you guys. $195. And when I opened the second box, just going to let you know right now, it was broken. But I'm not worried about it, and I'll tell you why. This is the spout and everything. So see all this right here? That broke. But if you look inside, this is just a casing. It's just a plastic casing that goes around. So this spigot right here, pretend it's this. So this is inside. And then this is a casing that they glued around it. You know, they put it in there, put the top on and glued it. So this is all intact. Everything else. It's just this cheap plastic casing that they're using to justify their $195 price, because this serum, I'm sorry, did not do anything spectacular for me when I tried it. It's like very clear. It's almost like water. It's like a Vaseline, a glycerin type. Has a very Vaseline feel, greasy. And at $195, I would not be, I'm going to leave it on the back of my hand, see what it does. We're going to come back to it. I just don't like this feeling. It feels, it's like slick, slippery. God help you if you were going down a like raging waters water slide, because you'd go phew. You'd look like Rasputin on Norbit. Straight down. Because now that the finger's dried, the back of my hand's still slick. So I don't know what to say. The next, let's just keep going. The next product is Elena Badro. Remember, we got her brushes before. This is the Luxury Beauty Sponge. It comes in a 2-pack. They're really pretty. Take a look at the colors. It's like a gray and a black. And let's see what's their price on these, because I do think she overpriced those brushes. These are 34 bucks. You have this one angled like that. And that is a gray. I mean, and then here's your black, your standard black sponge with the flat bottom. So you get 2 different types of sponges. I tell you right now, you better leave your toes alone. Anyhow, these are Elena Badro. Did I tell you the price? Yes, 34 bucks. I said that they're overpriced for sponges, for beauty sponges. Unless these things perform like a Juno & Co., those are by far the best sponges. Well, besides the original. But you know what I mean. Okay, this I'm excited about. These are by EVO Beauty Lip Spo, which I'm not sure what SPO, Spo, Liner Duo. And these are for the lips. These are 2 lip liners. They are very pretty colors. I do like these colors a lot. I really do. They're $24, so that makes them 12 bucks a piece. Now, it says that they were named after, I'll just let you know right now, it says they were named after somebody. The creamy, long-lasting, rich colors to liner fill lips. This 2-piece kit features a velvet formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout in a matte finish, named after people who inspire us. Okay, so one of the names is, and I did have it just a bit ago, is Val. And because you can see the name, I had to turn it. I was like, where did they put the name? Brooke and Val. Down here at the very bottom, if you look, it'll be in white letters. One says Val, and that's the lighter one, this lighter mauve colored one. And then this darker, that darker kind of wine, that one says Brooke, without breaking the packaging, because these will go in a giveaway. So that's it for this box right here, you guys. My total came out to $368. This was the Lady Lori premium box for December 2021. Don't forget, my variation was 215. And again, I thank you guys very much. I really do appreciate it. But please let me know if you guys are, you know, in the middle of that tornado, hurricane, natural disaster that's taking place right now with our weather. And I mean, we're praying for you guys. We really are. We're praying for your safety. We're praying for anybody that you know who's been caught in the middle of it, for healing. And I do know that there have been losses, so for those families as well. Anyway, other than that, let me know what you guys thought about this box. Let me know if you think that this premium box for December was a pretty good box. I think it was. I think I got some pretty good stuff in here. This one right here is not, you know, it's not that bad. The sponges, you can always use new sponges. This one right here, this is the Kenya Antiveros. That's awesome. That palette right there is beautiful. These, I like these, but they'll probably go in a giveaway. Not happy about this at all, because my one in the other box broke. And then there's the Stila. This is that black mascara with that gorgeous, gorgeous gold tube. And then by Bite, this is the foundation. And apparently I picked that shade. So if it doesn't work, it's my problem. The theme for December is Gift of Glam. I didn't tell you guys that at all. I just had this card out and was just going down the list. Anyway, Gift of Glam for premium. All right, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and grab another box. And after I get done with the BOXYCHARMs, I do have my Ipsies. So I will start working on those as well. You guys have an absolutely wonderful evening. Thank you so much for spending just a little bit of time with me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.